I'm Jessica Denai, and I'm going to explain the integral test. So the integral test can only apply if a sub n is continuous in our interval and it's decreasing. So we're going to start with the sum of 1 over n squared. We know this is always continuous except n equals 1, but we're starting at n equals 0, but we're starting at n equals 1, so we don't have to think about that. And 1 over n squared is going to be decreasing because this is going to get bigger faster than the top because the top won't change. So what we can do is we can take this and have 1 over x squared, and then we're going to integrate it from 1 to infinity. And if this converges, the series will also converge, but if this diverges, the series will diverge. So look at this, we have to have a limit because it's improper. So we'll go from 1 to b as b approaches infinity of x negative squared dx. So this will integrate to limit as b approaches infinity of x negative first times negative 1 from 1 to b. So this will go the limit as b approaches infinity of negative 1 over b minus negative 1 over 1. So this will change to that. This will become 1. And since the integral converged to 1, our series will converge. Alright, and so now we have another one. We have the ln of n over n from 2 to infinity. It's continuous everywhere except n equals 0, and we don't have to worry about that because we aren't counting 0. And then it's going to decrease because n is going to grow bigger faster than 1, the bottom's going to grow bigger faster than the top will. So we can integrate this. We can go ln x over x from 2 to infinity dx. Again, we're going to have a limit. So we'll go 2 to b as b approaches infinity of ln x over x dx. And now I'm going to let u equal ln x. So du is going to equal 1 over x dx. In our equation we have dx over x, so we can go 2 to b is the limit of b approaches infinity of u du. So now we'll have limit as b approaches infinity of 1/2 u squared from 2 to b. This will turn into limit as b approaches infinity of, we'll have to put ln x back in for u, so we'll have 1/2 times the ln of b squared minus 1/2 ln of 2 squared. Sorry, it kind of ran into the turtle. So this will go to infinity here, and this will still go to that, but infinity minus something is still going to be infinity. So the limit will go to infinity, which means the integral diverged, so our series diverged.